Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
You see, that is one of the reasons why me no like to go too far out in the water. You see me? Me like to make sure so that the water always there at a certain height, like waist height. You see that part? You see? Now, this them say is at the Doctor's Cave Beach. You see me? That a Montego Bay, St. James. You see? Jamaica, of course, right? Cause them a say shark in Jamaica water. This thing right here, so you know. Shark, yes, can be a barracuda as well. You see me? Because you don't know you have that thing when you barracuda dangerous, just like a shark. You see? But at the same time, they say that it is a shark spotted in Doctor's Cave Beach and all these things. You see me? I say it's a recent event. This, you see me? But even so be the case, this is not the first time they say that they spot a shark in a Jamaica waters. As I say, I remember quite a while ago, you know, I don't exactly remember the location, but there was a shark with them see, like the one with the wide head, like, you know, I don't know what's what, hammerhead shark, you see me? Yeah, see it right here, right here, you see me? Yeah, hammerhead shark, you see me? So, you don't know. The only thing I say people to be careful because it seems to me like because of the whole global warming thing and so forth, other things are leave from certain parts of the ocean to safer waters where more clean, you see me? Because even like about maybe a year or so, you know, I'm not quite sure, but maybe a year or so, you see me? Not like me I keep track. Them say killer whales in Jamaican water. So obviously you see things adventure from other parts of the ocean come to the Caribbean. You see me? As me say, it's all about what's going on with the whole global warming thing. So just be careful, alright? You don't know where out there. Play it safe like me. You see me? Me now pass the line. I can swim. But you know, and yes, I've done it before where I pass the line, but you know, I don't really want that in a recent event, you know, you see. Anyways, I don't know the thing go already. You see, Dancehall Skilla is right here just to keep you posted and let you see what go on throughout the world. See me? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself. You see.